Let's talk about the tip shaving. We've talked about this, quite a bit. We've talked about many different shavings. And of course, with your help, everybody watching, sending screenshots to Sergio, we were able to see the tip shaving that was going on. It was the issue with when the driver was being tipped, it would go away. And what happened there, Serge? So,
all right, this one I gotta give Uber credit. Okay, stop hating. All right, our working relationship. First, I have to say hi to A. You know who you are. Much appreciated. I know you're not feeling well, but hopefully you'll feel better soon. So I package, send it, and then they look at it. They go, "Oh shit, is this really happening?" Like I'm like, "Yeah, you guys. I'm a $125 billion company. You guys shouldn't be asking me what's going wrong." Because you certainly catch your glitches really quick, like they did last week within 24 hours. So, but let's not get negative, Chris. This is a positive thing. Dear Chris, you are underpaid for certain trips taken in Boston between 8/1/2023 and 10/31. I mean, that's what is that? 3 months
that's
almost?
3 months right there. That's one full quarter that you guys are screwing up, and yet you found your mistake in 4 hours.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Hey, let's stay positive. Hold on. 8/1 to 10/31. 3 months due to technical issues on our end. To correct this error, we have added a miscellaneous payment to your account. Okay, how many people are getting this in Boston to start with, or in Massachusetts? I know some people are getting this in Dallas. I know that already. So email me these positive things too. We just don't talk about, look, Uber just blah, 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 Uber the big bad wolf. No, look, they are working, they are looking into things, and when we notify them that, hey, what's up with this thing, man, they look into it and they catch it and they're making drivers whole. So in that sense, I feel pride that we are making a difference and we are getting drivers paid. And again, thanks, A, much appreciated. And here you go. So let me know on this one too, please. Sergio at RideShareGuy.com. Send me the email saying, look, I got $100, I got $500, I got $300. Okay, not all is bad, but it shouldn't come to some useless. Oh, thank you, Thorsten. Thank you, much appreciated, man.
Thanks for that.
It shouldn't come to us for a $125 billion company to listen to some guy in LA saying, oh, by the way, there's another glitch. I'm like, no, you guys should catch this on your own. But hey, I'm happy to work and for the community and listen to the community and transfer the news to you, and you fix it. Thank you, much appreciated. There you go.
Yep. So that's definitely some good news.
Yeah, people got money, bro. Right before Christmas, people got some cash.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.